Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is perhaps the best performing and most powerful smartphone in the world right now. Yet according to many, it costs more than it's worth. The smartphone was released in February this year. So we uncover this small mystery box, and on top is the treasure and a plastic cover. A menu guide, and of course a SIM ejection tool. So let's operate this thing, shall we? It is a good brightness and a sense of touch, very satisfying response with a very smooth scrolling. In the far left corner we have the S Pen, speaker, USB, microphone and a SIM card slot. The top microphone, a power button and two volume adjustment buttons. Press in to pop out the pen. You know, using this feels better than writing on a paper. Yeah, really interesting. I mean, it's really great. It has 5 lenses which allow you to zoom in up to 100 times in total. Notice the sleek black color and the side caps for good aesthetics. And the camera gives best quality pictures. It comes with fingerprint screen lock security, and it is water and dust resistant as well. Thank you for watching Technologism. See you in the next video.